Legate Smart Door Locks. Achieve higher security for your family, conserve energy, and support your everyday lifestyle. Legate Push-Pull Door Lock Series. Push, pull, push, and pull. The push-pull handle works easily and quickly in all situations. Here are its features. Easy way to open and close door. Just push and pull. Multiple unlock functions, 360-degree fingerprint authentication, unlocking through an RFID card, opening door through a temporary password via Legate Smart Home app using a mechanical key, or just simply by a set password. Locking notification feature automatically notifies you when the door is open or closed. Low battery warning signal, giving notifications when the battery runs out of charge and view alarm log records. Legate Lever Handle Door Lock Series. Secure, customizable, convenient, and sleek. Secure doors with PIN, RFID card, fingerprint, or open with your mobile phone. Keys as a backup. Advanced Smart Lever Door Lock with fingerprint and password. Password Randomizer. Intuitive LED touchpad. Low battery notification. Intrusion alarm. Easy to use with multiple accesses. Give your home an extra level of protection with Legate Smart Home Door Locks. Call us today at 6242-1911 or visit our website at www.legate.com.sg.